Thank you for joining us at xm.com for today's market comment by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Maria Pachurtis. Equity markets got off to a positive start on Monday in what is a holiday-shortened week in the United States, while the upbeat mood seems to be mostly holding on Tuesday as investors await the minutes of the November FOMC meeting. Market pricing for the Fed rate path has moved rapidly over the past week as investors added to their rate cut bets following the softer-than-expected CPI numbers for October. The minutes will therefore likely offer outdated views on the economy, as aside from weaker inflation, growth indicators have also deteriorated somewhat since the November meeting. Nevertheless, if the overriding message of higher for longer is repeated in the minutes, rate cut expectations might suffer a knock. However, Fed policy expectations are not the only driver on Wall Street this week, as AI mania is making headlines again. After the unexpected ousting of Sam Altman as the CEO of OpenAI on Friday, Microsoft has snapped up both Altman and his co-founder Greg Brockman to join the tech giant's new advanced AI research team. Microsoft's share price hit a new all-time high on Monday, while other AI stocks like NVIDIA also rallied, pushing the Nasdaq 100 to a new 2023 high. The timing couldn't have been better for NVIDIA, which is set to report a jump in its Q3 earnings later today. Further boosting sentiment today is the announcement of fresh measures by Beijing to increase lending and support the property sector. The Australian dollar initially spiked higher on the headlines before giving up some of its gains. But the improving picture in China isn't the only thing helping the Aussie's latest rebound against the US dollar, as the RBA has taken a hawkish turn under the new governor, Michelle Bullock. As for the greenback, it's extending its slide today, falling to near 3-month lows against a basket of currencies, mainly on the back of the sharp reversal in the yen. The Japanese currency has seen its fortunes turn around dramatically this month, as declining inflation in Europe and America is being seen as paving the way for rate cuts next year. The dollar briefly hit a 2.5-month low of 147.14 yen on Tuesday, while its Canadian counterpart was flat ahead of Canadian CPI numbers due later in the day. Thanks for watching today's market comment here at xm.com.